Hello friends, today I will try to explain what results Rahu will give its own Dasha. Rahu gives results according to the nakshatra and upnakshatra it is placed in, or this nakshatra or this sublord it is placed in, as other planets do. But Rahu has a difference, it gives results of the planets which it is conjunct with, planets which aspect Rahu, and the lord of the sign and its placement. Now I will show you with certain examples how we will be able to see what results Rahu give in its Dasha. So this is first example in front of you, 4th January 95, 16:31 hours, place is Delhi, and you find that ascendant is 6 degree 9 minutes and Rahu is 19 degree in Libra sign, and ascendant is Gemini, as I have told you. Now you find here that Rahu is in the sign of Venus. So it will give the result of Venus. Venus gives the result of 6 and 12 houses, because it plays the 6th house and it is lordship is 12th house. Additionally, because Rahu is in the 5th house, so it gives the result of 5, 6 and 12, and you can see there is one nakshatra and moon signifies 3 and 9, because moon is placed in the 9th house and lord of the 3rd house. Now let me explain another example. The ascendant degrees remain the same of both Rahu as well as ascendant, but the date has changed, 29th of July 2013. You see the ascendant degree, that is 6 degree 9 minutes exactly, and even Rahu degree is also the same. Now you find here, because Rahu is conjunct with Saturn, Rahu is aspected by Jupiter, Rahu is aspected by Moon, and it is in the Venus sign, so it will give the result of all the 4 planets, and it will give these results 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Venus 3, 12, Moon 3, 11, Saturn 5, 9, 10, and Jupiter 1, 7, 8, 11. Now Moon's results are, the Moon is the lord of the 3rd house, placed in the 11th house, so Moon gives the result of 3 and 11. So these many houses results will be felt in the major Dasha or Mahadasha of Rahu, unlike the other example, although the degree of Rahu and degree of the ascendant is the same. So this is one thing. Secondly, you see that Rahu here is conjunct with Saturn, aspected by Jupiter and Moon, so its natural results of all these planets will also be transferred to Rahu. And in the other example, you see Rahu is not with any planet nor aspected by any other planet, so the results of Rahu remains, the results are not modified. Now the third thing, now let us see, let me increase the time by 10 minutes, and you find that Rahu significance has changed. Rahu now is the result of 5 and 12. Reason that Rahu is placed in the 5th house. Now Venus also has shifted in the 5th house, and the lordship of Venus is 12. The result of Rahu now are 5 and 12, and 6th house now goes. The moon signifies the lordship to 3 and placement 9, so 2, 3, 9. Now you see that the results of Rahu here have improved. The reason to that is that the 6th house is omitted and one more lordship of moon has increased. Now let me come back to the same time and let me decrease the time another by 10 minutes. And you find that Rahu is the result of 5 and 6, because the lordship of Venus comes here 7, the lordship of 12th house goes. So Rahu will give the result of 5 and 6 here, and 3 and 9 travels, and 5 and 6 are better houses than 5 12. Whatever you can see, just understand that the houses are differ, so the results will differ. Now you have to see what are the results of 6th house, what are the results of 12th house, so you can modify the results. So now I have discussed 3 things. One, the Rahu results depend upon the conjunction aspects and all of the planets, plus natural significance of planets, which is it is aspected by conjunction. Third, as the ascendant degree will change, the results will change. In the different years, Rahu posited in the same degree, the results are different. You can see that. Additionally, if Rahu is placed in different houses, again there will be difference in the results. Now you see, I increase the time by say 1 hour. Rahu remains in the 5th house and now Rahu has shifted to the 4th house. The results of Rahu will obviously change. So when it will go on the 3rd house again it will change. You see. When it has gone in the 3rd house, the results are altogether different. Because Venus, results are different. Now Venus now signifies 3 times, so Rahu will also signify 3 times. It's as simple as that, you understand. So understand this very carefully and today and try to get the results of all the planets including Rahu like this. Instead of learning from books who have falsely claimed that the planets give the results as written in the books that planet Rahu will give X result or Y result or Z result. Its natural significance remains the same, there is no doubt about it. But the houses signifies totally modify the results altogether. Thank you very much.